Here you'll notice the LRA spiked to 26.2 at startup, and RLA settled to around 14.5 in order to run. This is a Trane XR 5-ton AC system with a LRA of 127. I installed the Hyper Engineering Sure Start. I had no other choice but to mount it vertically because the compressor wire was too short. This AC unit has a single capacitor and an ECM fan with a built-in capacitor, which is inaccessible. The red wire is disconnected from the contactor and then connected to the run winding of the Sure Start. The brown wire, which is included in the kit, is then connected to the red side of the capacitor. The heavy gauge red wire is connected to the active T2 and then connected to the red side of the contactor where the red compressor wire was disconnected from. The blue wire, which comes included in the kit, is then installed to the start winding side and over to the orange side of the capacitor. Finally, the black common wire comes off of the Sure Start and over to the black side of the contactor.